It is an inspirational and moral story of faith in Allah. Once a lady got widowed and she experienced tragic difficulties. All the savings along with the children were 3 dirhams. She made up her mind to face the challenges. She went to a nearby market and bought some wool. She made something with this wool and sold it out in the market. She received 5 dirhams in return for those handicrafts and woolen things. She bought something to eat for 2 dirhams, and with the rest of money she again bought wool. In this way she spent some days. One day she returned from the market buying food and wool. She placed the wool anywhere and began to feed her children. Suddenly, a bird came and took away the wool. By the casualties of the future, she was mad with anger. On the next day, she went to the Excellency of David Thai and told the whole story. She inquired whether the god is gracious or cruel. After listening to her tragic story, the Excellency of David tried to put her at ease. Meanwhile, there was a knock at the door. When he saw 10 strangers standing there, he inquired about their arrival. They replied, "Respected weaver on way. Meanwhile, our ship got a hole in it. The water was filling it quickly. We were near death. In this time of trouble, each of us promised that if the God saves us, then each of us will pay 100 dirhams in charity. We were praying that a bird from anywhere dropped a ball of wool on our ship. We placed the woolen ball in that hole, evacuated the ship, and then we reached the nearby bank. As we were strangers here, we inquired about a trustee. The people sent us to you. There are 10,000 dirhams, give them to the needy." The Excellency of David Thai was amazed by the mastery of God. Taking the amount, he went to the lady and gave it to her. Then he asked whether the God was gracious or cruel. She looked at the David Thai, tears and tears. She showed gratitude to God. Moral: God has better planning for us. Say thank you, God, and have trust in God. He never leaves alone anyone.